Okay, so dear viewers, so this is the first day of Astricon. Next company we are interviewing here, exhibiting at Astricon is Xorcom, the Israeli company that do gateways like these. So I have Ruth, their marketing manager, who is going to tell us a little bit about Xorcom and what they are doing at Astricon. So Ruth?
Yes, we have actually two product lines. One, a USB connected channel bank. So if you want to extend the functionality of your Asterisk server, if you need to add additional ports, FXO, FXS, BRI, PRI, even R2, you just take one of these units. That's okay. And they're all USB connected, so it connects directly into the Asterisk server. And because our drivers are part of the standard Asterisk distribution, it's all recognized immediately, and it's very smooth. And each one of these windows here is actually a module of 8 ports, and you can mix and match as needed for your organization. And the second line of products that we have are fully standalone IP PBX. We have 3 different models: XR1000, XR2000, and XR3000, and the difference being the number of users and concurrent calls that each one can support. Again, Asterisk embedded and USB connected, and they can be scalable using the Astrobank technology. And of course, each of them is available with Druid distribution.
Before you go there, so Ruth, tell us a little bit for these devices, right? What are the distributions that are available other than, Druid, of course? What else do you guys put on it?
We also support Trixbox, CE, and Elastics.
So how many of this have you guys sold to date? Maybe some rough numbers, what segment do you guys focus on, things like that?
We feel that these units are specifically interesting to hospitality, hotel, motel, assisted living, condominiums, because in those situations you already have your infrastructure laid out, you have your analog phones, and then you can make the most out of the IP technology by inputting either the Astrobank or the XR units in order to expand the functionality. As a matter of fact, I neglected to mention that each of the models has, in addition to the telephony modules, input and output ports to support peripheral devices such as gate openers or alarm systems, things of that nature. Again, also call centers are a very important customer because of the scalability and the density of these units. They're really good for call centers of all sizes.
So how big is Xorcom? And where are you guys based? And what is that dual server redundancy thing I see in the background? Is that something new? You want to talk about it?
We can barely talk about it. We are just starting to announce it. It's not quite available, but the idea is that we will be able to provide full redundancy for our IP PBX units, and this is all based on the USB technology, which allows you to run the 2 IP PBXs simultaneously, and if one should fail, the other one would take over seamlessly. As far as Xorcom, we've been around since 2004. We're headquarters in Israel, and we have an office here in Phoenix, Arizona, and we have a worldwide distribution channel.
Thank you, Ruth. So thanks a lot again. So you guys see it, Xorcom, risk-free Asterisk, and you can check out the website, it's www.xorcom.com. All right, thank you.